I want to take this Nortec humidifier and interlock it with a Daikin system. So whenever the humidistat calls for humidity, is gonna at the same time energize my fan, bypass Daikin's controller, and bring on the fan. Now I was able to do it with the old units because they were standard motors, and all I had to do was put a relay in between and jump it out, and then lock out the other speeds. Well, Daikin changed the motors and put a DC motor, which is also an inverter motor, which is kind of difficult for me to interlock it. That's the wire diagram of my iPad. So I've been rattling my brain on how I'm gonna bypass the circuit board. This is the control circuit board, and this right here is the fan circuit board. So, as you can see, it's not really that easy. It's been a pain in the ass to try to figure it out. This is an FXMQ. And is a Daikin humidifier, air conditioner. So, if anybody out there has any idea, any clue how to do it, please leave me a comment. Thank you.